All right, so listen, if you're a wholesaler that doesn't know exactly all of the strategies for creative finance subject to deals, and you want to get paid just like Aldo, who helped find this deal, hit me up down in the comments. What he did is he called me, we talked about the deal, we negotiated the deal together, we wrote up the purchase agreement together, and then I purchased the property from him for an assignment fee. So literally helped the wholesaler get the house under contract, got the contract, and paid him an assignment fee. Real estate agent got paid, sellers got paid, and my private money partner in this deal is gonna get a great return on his investment as well. So if you're an agent that needs help knowing how to do these deals, or a wholesaler real estate investor, and you need help finding out how to do creative finance and subject to, hit me up down in the comments. Let's see how we can work together, how I can help you get deals done just like this, where we can do them together, or you can wholesale them to me. God bless you guys. Catch you on the flip side.